Well, Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
You may be at home having a lovely turkey dinner, but we, as always, are hard at work, or we may have just recorded this a bit earlier. But anyway, this is the final wrap of George's island adventures. I did the first 5, you did the next 5.
Yep.
Talk me through quickly the 5 different places that you went.
So I went to Chau, Cookie Island, Chau, Middle Island, Chau, and also Zhao. Yeah.
Now, islands, of course, are one of our favourite things to do in Hong Kong. We have some amazing islands, and it's great to get away, particularly if you're living in the city and you're under the problems or under the confinement, should I say, of the coronavirus right now. Now, I don't really need to ask you which was your favourite, because I think you made it pretty obvious.
Yes, if you have already watched last week's episode, you have already know my favorite island will be Zhao. But before I give reasons about why I like it the most, I want to quickly explain why I didn't choose the other 4 islands. For islands like Chau or Middle Island, I think the scenery is perfect. The scenery is wonderful, but my problem with them is they're too small. So you can only spend 1 or 2 hours on it, and then there's nothing more to see. And for islands like Chau or Cookie Island, they are big enough. There's a lot of things to see, but it's too far away from me. So I gotta take 2 hours ferry to there and then 2 hours ferry back. So my pick would be Chau, because first of all, it's big enough. It's so big. I remember that time we spent 5 or 6 hours to do a full loop around the island, and we still feel like we are not having enough, and we decided to go to Zhao again in the near future to do a camping overnight. Yeah,
it looked pretty spectacular. I've got to say, I have never been to this one. Now, I have been to Tung Chau, which is beautiful for underwater. It's a bit of a stretch to get there. It is by far the most distant of the islands. Middle Island, I love the way that you swam out there. That's something that I want to try and do, and good on you for doing that. But my big question to you, before we get on to the main reasons why you chose your favourite, was why you didn't bring me. Okay, let's go to Tung Chau. You've described that as the most beautiful place you've ever been to, not just in Hong Kong, but in the world. So let's justify that.
So what's so special about Tung Chau is not because of the natural landscapes, or it's because there's some kind of specific kind of landforms. It's the comprehensive atmosphere of the entire island. It's just make you feel, wow, Mother Nature.
Well, I have not been there, so I cannot contradict you as it being the most beautiful place, but certainly having seen that, I want to go. I also want to see you play a bit more guitar on the show. I think that's important, and unfortunately we don't have the guitars to sing you out to a Christmas song, but we do have something special coming up next week. It's our 5-year anniversary. We'll be putting together a little video to combine together some of the best moments over the last 5 years. We're also trying to do, as part of the 5-year celebrations, a list of the 10 best hikes in Hong Kong. Please drop your comments down below if you'd like to recommend one. We'll be asking you more for recommendations as we go along, and we put that together. That will be coming out sometime in probably January, February next year as we make the best 10. For now, a very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year to you all.
It's so big, and then
jeez.
Just pick up the call first and do it later.